guys, Cynthia here. Today I'm heading out to one of my local parks that has a little pond, and I'm going to be doing some fly fishing using a really inexpensive kit of topwater flies that I recently got. I want to check this out and test it because I thought that it had a really cool assortment. I felt like it would be very easy to use and great for kids. So I wanted to give it a little test and see what I thought of it and share that with you guys. Let's see what I can catch on the fly.
Alright, the audio on this is garbage because of the lawnmower guys and the weed whacker guy, but I'm gonna go ahead and run anyway, just in case. Oh my god, the tiniest bluegill in the world. That's a cutie though. Alright, little guy. I'll get you out of here real quick. Ooh, you're strong. You're so strong. Thanks for the bite. I don't know what that was about. Oh. Another bluegill. Red-breasted. Pretty little fish. Thanks for the bite, buddy. See you later. Come on. I see you. There you go. It's a nice size one. These are all nice sized. I wonder if they're spawning over here. Beautiful red-breasted sunfish. I like these guys because they get calm when you catch them. You ate that kind of funny, didn't you? Alright, thanks for the bite. Alright, well, I have yet to catch a trout, but I'm sure catching a bunch of panfish, and they're fun. Another beautiful red breast. I really like catching these fish. Oh, hold still, buddy. Alright, well, we definitely proved that will get eaten. It's another one of those. Let's see. I'm gonna try this crazy purple thing. My little bee got tangled up here, so I'm gonna try this crazy purple thing and see what happens. See if anybody wants to eat that, which they do, but they couldn't get it in their mouth. It's interesting. I wonder if this is going to sink once it gets wet. It's meant to be a floating fly, but whoop. Okay, that was a bite. Nice take. Huh, they can't seem to get this one in their mouth. I wonder if it's just too big for them. Might be better as a bass fly. I think I see a bigger fish under there. Ooh, big red breast. These guys sure fight like crazy. It's really fun. Oh, it's a pumpkin seed. A beautiful one. Wow. What a pretty fish. This is, in my opinion, the prettiest of the panfish. Look at that. What a beauty. Thanks for the bite, buddy. You know, here in the Northeast, we don't get all that many colorful fish. Most of our fish here are silver or green. Like where I grew up in Florida, we have lots of colorful fish there. So it's really fun for me to see like a pumpkin seed. It's so pretty. I'm going to give this a couple more minutes over here and then switch to the other side. On that other side over there near that gazebo is actually where Aiden caught a monster trout last weekend. And we only got a little bit of it on video because I got flustered. Oh, and shut the camera off instead of turning it on. I'm coming. Oh God, he got a big one. Okay, wait. Don't reel anymore because you're going to break him off. 1 second. Good job. Oh my God. Brian, get over here. GoPro, start recording. But it was easily a 24-inch fish. Outrageous. Truly amazing for a 10-year-old kid to catch a 24-inch trout. This is not nearly as effective a fly as that little bee, but it did catch me that bigger fish. So there's something to be said for that. I think that was a trout. That was interesting. It ate on the paws. That was probably a crappie. It slowed down over here. So I'm going to switch over to the other side. Okay, I've moved to a new spot. It's looking actually pretty quiet over here. A lot of bugs, but not a lot of signs of fish right now. Fish. What do we got? Oh, surprise, sunfish. Hey, well, it's a fish. A pretty bluegill. Thanks for the bite, buddy. What the heck? A big one. Oh wow, another pumpkin seed. Pretty one, wow. Really big pumpkin seed. What a beautiful fish. Thanks for the bite, mister. Ow. Oh, okay. That didn't go well. Oh, gross. Oh, God. Hold on. Oh, Jesus. Well, that was eventful. God damn it. Why can't I look on this way? Gotcha. What is it? Oh, crappie. Oh, beautiful little fish. Thanks for the bite, buddy. Right through the nose. That looks like it hurt, actually. Oh. They really like this thing and was not ready. Oh, big red breast. Wow. Look at that one. I'm going to go ahead and link this little fly kit down in the description because it would be fantastic for going fishing with kids. Very easy, floating flies of a couple different sizes. So they're definitely doable for trout if you have any skill. Otherwise, they're great for panfish. Obviously, I don't have any skill here. Oh, a crappie! Yeah, it's a crappie. Cute. I love their eyes. They have such pretty eyes.
If you're interested in picking up one of these fly kits, go ahead and check out the link in the description. If you purchase from there, we'll get a few pennies to help support our channel. We'd really appreciate it. I hope you had a great time watching this video. Thanks so much, and we'll catch you later.